Honestly, guys, you see, if they want to eat dog, rat, puss, camel, whatever in their country, that is just their business. They can do whatever they want to do in their country. But when you take those things to Jamaica, when you come to Jamaica, clean up dog meat for consumption, who to tell you if they're not selling it or whatever they're doing, you understand? Then that's when it becomes a problem for me. Once you're a consumer in Jamaica, it has to be a problem for you because any game can play. Guys, there's a video coming up from the TVJ News. Stay tuned, watch the video, and leave your thought in the comments below.
Preparing a dog for consumption is normal in Asia and other parts of the world, but not in Jamaica. This clash of cultures is leading to a clash of opinions among Jamaicans.
You know, I change the facts. I'm still eat Chinese food. Still eat the Chinese food.
And we should not tolerate that. Not in Jamaica. In other countries, they eat cockroach, they eat all kind of things.
It's not cool for us. I personally don't like it or wouldn't, consume that. But at least Jamaicans can probably make the rules clear that they're not allowed to do it here.
Part 1, subsection 2 of the Butchering Regulation in the Public Health Act is clear. The list of animals fit for human consumption in Jamaica includes bull, cow, and other forms of cattle, goat or kid, fowl or turkey, and any pig. Absent from that list, dog.
That's exactly the point, Giovanni, because is it a stray dog on the street that could be diseased? Is it coming from somebody's home? Was it stolen? The implications are enormous, Giovanni.
Michael Williams is Director of Environmental Health in the Ministry of Health. Several other breaches happened in the 3-minute-long video.
One, we don't know if it was slaughtered under humane condition. Two, the dismembering of the animal was done on the ground. I think it was a piece of zinc in the open. So it's going to attract flies. And you're going to have fly breeding, odor nuisance, all that kind of thing. The person who was doing the slaughtering and cleaning up the animal is not a licensed butcher.
And so, Mr. Williams says there will have to be a joined-up agency investigation.
We would love for the person or persons who produced this video to get in touch with the Ministry of Health so that we can investigate where it took place, who committed this act. And it might be happening more frequent than we can imagine. And with the frequency of occurrence, there is the risk that there is a trade in dog meat.
Mr. Williams concedes it's impossible to police what people eat privately, but there is a wider concern for the public.
The bigger danger, though, we would not want those animals to enter the commercial food trade because we don't consume dogs or cats in Jamaica. In the transmission of diseases, it could be a rabid dog, rabies, It could be an animal that is carrying parasites or you name it. And even the person who is handling it, not being a trained butcher, there are a lot of risk involved.
The revised penalty for breaches of the butchering regulations under the Public Health Act is a fine not exceeding $1 million or 12 months in prison if convicted.